this video, I'm going to show how to set up the cutting tips. It's the same with both of these machines, so I'm just going to use this machine here. Before you make any cuts, it's important to put a vibration dampener on there. The vibration dampener ensures that the vibrations that are caused by the cutting do not affect the cut. So once the dampener on there, we can adjust the cutting tips. The first adjustment that we're going to make is on this x-axis right here. We do that by turning this knob, and that brings the cutting tips back and forth. We want to make it so it'll clear the rotor, so we'll go ahead and turn that, and then we can turn this knob for the z-axis. We're going to bring this to the center of the rotor, and then we're going to turn the lathe on. These knobs here will bring the tips in and out on the rotor. We want to bring them in so they barely make contact with the surface. Once they've made that cut, you can zero these knobs out as a reference. Once they're zeroed, we'll back them off. Now because they were zeroed, you'll know where to bring them once we hit the center of the rotor. So we bring it all the way into the center of the friction surface. We're going to tighten these back down. And once it makes contact, don't hesitate to go a little bit deeper. Tighten these knobs down. These knobs ensure that the cutting tips won't leave the surface of the rotor, so you get an even cut the full length. Now you'll flick this switch, and it'll automatically turn this knob, which will bring the cutting tips out. As you can see, it didn't quite cut it all on this side, but that's okay. Our goal is to get at least 90% of the friction surface even. So there's well over 90%, so that's all right. However, it is important to get a non-directional finish on your rotor. So go ahead and take your sanding block, it's located in the brake cabinet, and sand both sides of your rotor. Once you've sanded both sides for about a minute, you'll feel that it has a very nice non-directional smooth finish on both sides. You're going to take it off and you're going to wash it with soap and water. It's important to have the soap in there because the soap will actually grab any shavings and carry it away. Once you've done that, your rotor is finished.